Hello students, in this lesson we will take architectural symbols. This command is used to screen and select to perform. The dot symbol index. First tool is arrange axis symbol. Command is used to arrange axis symbol serial with dot dimension from foreside in one time. There is mistake. Select U-plane to make grid lines. Select all. We make grid lines easily. Next tool is drawing axis symbol. This command is used to draw axis symbol serial number or dot alphabet with dimension. We will use shortcut of ZH. Click the line. Type the word you want, for example, A. Select the other line. Also, you can type 1. Next tool is coordinate. This dot command is used to XY coordinates in one time. Select your points. We will explain coordinates next time. We will make coordinate the XY axis point. Type ZB to make coordinate. Next tool is designed elevation. This command is used to insert levels with multiple option over the screen in one time. Click over the point of screen to get the level. See you again.